Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to synchronize your meditation reminders with your calendar in the Headspace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the notifications button. And then click on the meditation reminders button. And once you set a reminder for this function, look for the put it on my calendar button at the bottom of the page. And in order to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns green, this function is on, and it means that your reminders are now available in your calendar as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.